back to our attempt to try to do examples or calculational examples related to Doppler effect. And our trial example is this question here, which of course I've given answers. But I want to show you how, or I want to give you a hint, small hint, on how these answers are obtained. Now, remember in the previous lecture we had given this formula, which is giving us a combined relation that talks about an observer approaching a source that is giving us a sound of frequency fs. So the heard frequency, the frequency that will be heard by the listener, is f naught. Okay, so we're going to use this equation here with f naught to try to solve part A and part B of this question. Now, if you're given a whistle, a train whistle that emits sound at a frequency of 400 Hz, okay, taking a speed of sound in air to be this, that is, this is v in this equation. This v is this 340, and this fs is 400. Okay. Now, what is the pitch of the sound heard when the train is moving towards a stationary observer at a speed of 20 meters per second? Now, this 20 meters per second is Vs. Now, I have V, I have Vs, I have Fs. What I am missing here is, what is this V naught? Remember, we are talking about a stationary observer, therefore this is 0. So just substitute or just key in 340 here, 340 here, minus 20. Okay, then of course outside the bracket here we have 400. Simple math, that would be 340 all over 320. Okay, and from the bracket here we are going to find 1.0625. 1.0625 times 400, that reduces to 425. That gets to 425 Hz, which is the solution to part 1. Now, when you get to part 2, yeah, what is the pitch heard when the train moves away with the same speed? Now, what will happen here is that we are going to consider this 20 as negative, because we're talking about a recession, okay, movement away from the observer. So this is basically going to make us have this point as positive. Okay, when we get that point as positive, that will make us get to this answer here. So I would request that you try that, and then you find if, because if I take the negative 20, substituting here, I'll end up with V plus, so that will be 340 all over 360. Okay, if you divide that, you multiply that by 400, you are supposed to get 3.77.7 something. So that is to the whole nearest whole number, you get this. It's that simple, and therefore I wish you all the best with your personal practices as we still continue studying Doppler effect. Thank you.